broken. Can I do yours? Can I have yours? Here, let's just do this one. What a good girl you are. Well, get out of my drink. No, 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 that's not yours. No, I don't share my drinks. No, I do not. Those are not for you. Those are mine. I'll give you a treat later, huh? You're silly, Jazzy. You're a silly old bird. You can't share it. No. Mm-mm. No, this is mine. I'm going to put it down. You leave it. Don't touch. Don't touch my drink. Piper, no. Don't touch my drink. You have to be a good boy. Are you a good boy? Yes, you are. Do you want your nails done? Huh? Who wants their nails done? I need mine because this one broke. Yeah? And when they break, they get sharp. Everybody's so attentive to my little manicure. Do you want some? Can we do yours? Give me your toe. Breeze will give me hers. She's a good girl. Let me see. Can we do your toe? Just like this. Look how good Breeze is. Yeah, Breeze is such a good girl. Huh, Mama? What a good girl. We get her nails nice and trimmed up. Good girl, Mama. Good girl. Yeah, you want some? Let me see. Let me see your toes. Can I do yours? Can I see your toes, Jazzy? No, thank you. I don't want it. How about you, Tango? Gentle birds. Very gentle. No, be bitey. Be gentle. That's right. You clean him up because he's a mess, isn't he? Piper. No, that is not yours. I don't share my drink, do I? Are you a good boy? You don't get in my drink. That's a good boy. You're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Good boy. You want to come here? Piper? Hey, buddy. You, hi. Hi, Jazzy. Does anybody want to go fly? Are we all done? My nails are done. Don't put it. No, don't you steal a drink, you stinker. It's all done. It's all done. Yeah, no more. You guys want to go fly? Ready? On your mark? Gonna go? Are you very excited? Such a good girl, Mama. No, Jazzy, that's not yours. Such good birds to leave my drink alone. It's just sparkling water and a little grapefruit juice, but you still can't have it. No, you can't. Oh, such good birds. Oh, such good birds. You see, you have a little bit of a snotty nose. Don't touch that. No. Let me see your beak. Let me see. Don't steal a drink. He just wants to so bad. Let me see. We just cleaned it up. I know. Poor Breeze. It's the story of your life. Hi, Piper. Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna get you clean. There we go. I know it doesn't love it, but it's better now. Good girl. Good boy. Mwah. Mwah. Do you have a kiss? Mwah. You guys gonna go? Good boy. Go fly. All right, you guys, go fly. You should go. You should go fly. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Cute baby. Stay snugly then. Oh my gosh, look at all the quail. There must be 20 of them there. Oh my gosh. This is a huge flock. Oh my God, there's 40 of them. That just keeps going on and on. Apparently the quail get pretty good eats around here, don't they? They get leftover macaw, don't they? Yeah. Pretty cute, you guys. You gotta go fly tango. Ready? Set.